Welcome to raigurkul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to create events in Jira Data Center version. First of all, let's understand what is events. Whenever we are creating any issues, that is comes under create events. When we are copying or making duplicates of it, it is comes under clone event. When we are moving any issues from one status to other or one type to other, that is called as move event. Similar like that, we can create any events under Jira Data Center versions, which might need for any projects to be created. Hence, this feature is enabled under Jira Data Center version. To start with this, first and foremost important part, you need Jira administrator permissions. Without that, you won't be able to do it. And as of now, we are going through the data center versions, which I deployed on my local host. Here, we'll see how we can do that. Before that, if you want to learn more about Jira and their different products, feel free to refer my channel where you'll see tons of videos available where I have uploaded more than 500 videos on Jira REST API, Jira product uses, Jira add-on, and integration feasibility, which will help you to understand Jira from scratch. And for supporting the channels, feel free to subscribe the channels and your respective comments, which will help me to improve this. Further, to start with this, go to system settings, and from the system settings, navigate it to down where you will see events. When you will click on events, you will see these are the by default events available, which is created under Jira Data Center. To create a new event, scroll at the end, and here you can add new event. I'm just giving the event name, which is new event, and post that will add the descriptions about this event, why we are adding it. Here you can see the description is added for this. This is the issue created event. This is for the issue updated event. Similar to that, you can add this description so that it will be easier for anyone who is referring this event or who is trying to use this event. So I'm giving just as a test. And after that, you can use these templates, which is created for using this events. So once I will add, this event will be added successfully. Whenever I want, I will be able to modify it. And if I want, I will delete it. So this is how we can create, modify, and delete any events under Jira Data Center versions. Hope this will be helpful. If you think so, this is useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.